Hello everyone, and today I'm going to do a mind mapping tutorial. So for this, because I don't want to use the graphics upload for this, I just want to use the mouse. So what I'm going to be doing is use Paint 3D, use free software and Microsoft already installed, pre-installed, and basically just show you the process of making a mind map. Well, what this specific particular mind map will be about, I don't know yet, but it's just the process of it. So let's go into it. Let's display it to capture. Let's go here. Okay, so mind map. Let's just use a pencil and do the bubble. Now, let's break it down into. So you write what you want in the middle. Let's say euro. Okay. You do lines here. Because there's not a lot of space here, I'm just going to keep these here. I don't want to cram anything in. Okay. Do this with diversity. So here I'm just doing words that. So these are some words that come to mind. Now, I'm just in a different sense I might have put neurodiversity and expanded on this mind map, but it's just here for example. So I'm going to keep this on the back in the background while I talk. So let's go through each of them. So for a mind map, what you want to do is take a word and make every possible connection you can. Why do you do this? Why not just if you have one sole connection? Why do you flutter around with other connections? You may be wondering. Well, to give you a clearer mind and make sure that you can build the strongest thing you want that links back to the main focus of my mind map, and it just helps you like, okay, I know I definitely don't want this, or I know I definitely want this. So it's just to help you that. Okay, so let's start off and let's go clockwise. So diversity, neurodiversity. Yeah. Now, what is there to say that you don't know already? Well, diversity, there's many different types of neurodiversities and they affect different people, and even in those different types of neurodiversity, there's different spectrums to them. But overall, yeah, it is normally challenging to be neurodiverse. And that goes on to our next point. So all mammals are meant to link challenge. So yeah, there's certain procedures and organization things you need and schedules you need to make it less of a challenge. And sure, you may need to ask for, like, if you're in school, like ask for extra help, or even out of school. And like there's more reliance and codependence. But at the end of the day, like, you shouldn't go through this alone because there's a lot that you may not know about yourself, and doing the research and getting help will make you not feel unsafe about being neurodiverse and maybe hide it. And if you want to hide it, that's completely fine. But to feel safe in being like neurodiverse, you have to understand it, but also find ways to combat it or use it to help you. So yeah, there are certain traits that neurodiverse people have that maybe people that aren't neurodiverse have, but you've got to realize, like, to use these to your advantage and not see them as that. There's two ways you can perceive everything it can either inspire you or inspire you not to wait, let me rephrase. So there's two ways you can look at something. So you're like, wow, that's impressive, or wow, that's impressive, but I'm afraid of that, or I'm scared. And you have to realize the traits that you have and the best places to use them. And if it's for lots of things, because lots of neurodiverse people want to do, have interest in lots of different areas, and understanding that maybe some can overlap, or maybe if you do so well on one thing, then later down the road you can think, okay, now I've done well on this thing, and I do have different hobbies I wanted to focus and it paid off for me. Let me do this. So there's a type of system that follows, and once you get used to that system, that schedule, then it becomes a lot more easier, and you feel a lot more. You feel like maybe before you thought it was a struggle, but now things are starting to change for you, and you're realizing like how fortunate you are to be neurodiverse. So this is just mind map and breakdown I did. Found this helpful, give this a like, comment, subscribe. And I really want to, like I said, art education, doing art education, and I want to do just expand everyone's mind and help everyone get closer to neurodiversity via art. So, draw this isn't teaching you how to draw a tutorial, more of a sense. It's more teaching you, it's more of a theoretical tutorial. But I think that's important too. And also, maybe if you want to try this yourself, just drawing with making a mind map with a mouse. You don't need a graphics tablet. Obviously, there's some tools that you have, like bubble tools and arrow tools and text tools. And obviously, if it's for like professional setting, then obviously use those. But it's just like off the cuff stuff, and hopefully you've been able to get some experience out of this. So thank you for watching.